Organizing committee, the participating teams, players, referees, coaches, ground staff and the support staff, staff of AI involved in organizing this event, members of media, and above all, the most enthusiastic spectators of Goa. It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of the closing ceremony of the annual Inter-PSC football tournament hosted by the Airports Authority of India. Since inaugural of this tournament on Sunday by the Honorable Chairman of AI, we have seen intense action on this field. The 12 participating teams of various PSUs, PSBs and government departments have displayed their strength, skills and sporting capabilities in the last 5 days. And what better place than Goa to do the honors? In Goa, football is treated as not just a sport, but as a way of living. Goa has given us great footballers as well as achievers in other sports, which we all are proud of. I congratulate you all who are either directly or indirectly associated with the tournament for making a grand success. It gives me pleasure also to admit that we are really fortunate to having been conducted this tournament on this very ground, which has a history of its own. It has hosted the highest international as well as national events. The uptake is very good, although due to the heat and the month being the month of February, the audience is a little thinner, but we have enjoyed throughout the last 5 days. I would be failing in my duties if I don't acknowledge the cooperation of the management of various PSUs, PSBs and government departments who have sent their teams and made it a memorable organization, which we'll all cherish for years to come.